In this video I will show you my instruction about how to use my widget. So let's go to my project. As you can see in this project, all sections very customizable, and you can create your own maybe images, content or GIF animation inside it and others. So in hyperlink in widget, after process it, you can get it, and there you can see that there is more examples of vertical, horizontal slide sections and navigation of it. Go to the new project, create new site with fixed width. Okay, home. You can drag and drop it here and switch off this first checkbox, because reworks it not with fixed width, not include width. After that you can you must, or you have to read this instruction, because there's more information about it, about my widget, and about scrolling. My widget divided two parts, separated two parts. It is scrolling and navigation. We must to create some examples of slides or sections. Before I will show you about slides. Okay, full page slides. So before you must to delete these lines, or delete, just place it to another, because it will be padding top from the top, not place that expand options. Yes, there will be that we go to site to view, and as you can see there, you must see some white line. But our project is working, you can see it works. So let's go to our project and delete it, our expand options. That. Okay. And that's all, I think. Not. No, what? Okay. And it's nice. Okay, so in this project, as you can see, when we select it in hyperlinks, this slide group 1. If we want to create another horizontal slides, you just to copy paste it, and in hyperlinks slide group 2 is slide group 2. And when we go to here, you can see that there is another horizontal slides. So, and after that you can see that it is very more perfect and easy to use. So, and as you can see, there's some trouble with navigation. Yep. And we talk about it, but a bit later. So after that I will show you something about new section. Something about new sections you can do here, and like that. Okay, sections. Ctrl-Shift-E, and when we scroll down, you can see centering object and another cool effects of our sections. So how to create it? As you can see in hyperlinks, you can see that there's some letter class section, and you can use my presets, my example, but if you don't want to use it, you can maybe create your own container with section or slide or horizontal slide. So you can go to widget library and buttons and state button, place it here, then remove stylings and widget contents. Then we do this with 100%, and resize, it will be stretched brow width. Then maybe feel something about maybe here, and one content, maybe here or okay. So after that you can go to the hyperlink, and in tooltip you must right class, press space button on your keyboard, and right section, class section. After that it will be work. Okay, it worked fine. Okay, so as you can see, our centered object is not in center of our height of browser. We must select it and place it to the top of our container. So after that it will be centering will be okay. As you can see, it's okay. So also this operation you can do with flag group. Also you can drag and drop state button, remove style and widget content. Then you can in hyperlinks add slide group 1 or slide group 2 and others. So I have one remark about it. When you use fluid width, you must this class section must be last, and in the last of it you must in hyperlink write class section last. It is my rule of this widget. Okay, so after that we go to here, and as you can see these images also great with state button. Not images, our containers great with state button, and in the filling you can see that images scale to fit of one of the 9 positions. Okay, but you can create your parallax effect 0, 0, 0, 0, and in your widget must be in scrolling effect vertical scroll bar, and you can hide it for extra widgets. Ctrl+Shift+E, we can go here, and yep, it's worked. But if you don't select it like that, it will not work, as you can see. So it's my rule for this widget. Okay, so let's go to our scrolling effects, and this checkbox hides your scrolling bar. Okay, so after that, as you can see, full page scrolling, if we switch off this element, you can see that it doesn't work, because we must to switch off this object, and vertical scroll bar also must be checked. Okay, let's go, and as you can see, our sections works, and it's taken to near section. As you can see, this feature maybe can be changed by this checkbox. Sticking to section, you can edit your speeds, maybe more slowly or more faster, and maybe switch off. And when you scrolling, it is not happening. Let's go to another settings of this widget, scrolling, and here. So scroll bar rows, it is when you can use your arrows of keyboards. Yep, but when you maybe here I will show you. Scroll by arrows of your keyboard, not of your mouse scrolling. Okay, if you want to not use it, you just click on it and it will be not used. Okay, centering content you can switch off if you don't want to center your content scrolling inside along content. Also, you can turn off this function. Vertical scroll bar, disable continuous vertical scrolling and enable compatibility with animation widgets when you scrolling your page, and then when scrolling via widget of animation, some elements is disappeared, maybe appeared and bounce from another corners of your site and others. So you can enable it and maybe appear scroll bar, right, and you can hide it, but it is very dangerous function because some function maybe doesn't work, like full page scroll. Without full page scroll, with it doesn't work, so you must be very accurate with that function. Animation after refresh of page via the link with anchor path. So this function is very nice because when it just to on, you can give link to your client, and when he go to this client with these characters at the end of the link, without that function he go to this link silent, without animation. Okay, scrolling and jump from last, first and down. So let's check it, and when we switch off this function and switch on jump from last to the first section, you can see that when we scroll down doesn't more happen, but when we go to from the last, we go to the first section. Okay, after that we switch on, it will be from the one to last, the first to last. Okay, and other, you can suggest scrolling continuous with infinite scrolling, scroll and scroll. As you can see, it's very powerful and works. Trouble with images because it is parallax effect. Okay, go to here, motion, scroll and scroll. Okay, so I like it. And here scrolling, continuous horizontal scrolling by rows. Ctrl+Shift+E. You can see that when you scroll with your arrows, go to the left of the horizontal slide, you jump to the first as continuous scrolling. So when we switch off this function, this will be like that. Up, then disappear our row to the right, and we go to the left. It is very powerful for maybe your gallery. Maybe. Okay, so with scrolling, then you can edit speed of scrolling. Normal scroll with a width. Maybe when you create some fluid layouts for your fluid design, and you don't want to use full page scrolling for maybe 800 pixels of width, you can place this number to here, and it will be not work on this width. Maybe you just use it. So button distance from the content, it is about more content, like big content from it. When we go to our site, you can see that in the near you can see that this bottom content more close to the end, because this I have some container. When we see that problem, when our content is close to the last, as you can see that to the end of our section, it is maybe I don't like it, and I want to add some padding bottom to this, maybe 70, and I go to here, and as you can see, yeah, I have more distance. Okay, let's go to the navigation. Navigation 2, general navigation color. You can switch it to orange, and the navigation will be switched to orange here and here. And go to the navigation. Vertical flag navigation. You can switch off or switch on, else above horizontal design navigation. Also display on the activity tooltip and your words. Exactly, this is Russian words, and mistake here perfect, then that symbol and status. It is very important. Okay, so you can see powerful, perfect, navigation position right, left, font size for the tooltip, text for the tooltip, open side font for tooltip, color of tooltip text and others. Horizontal it's to another settings. Bottom, top, preview next button, you can see maybe your. So here we go to the left SVG and navigation next button will be right SVG. Works with PNG, JPEG, GIF and SVG files. So we maybe switch to 30, then distance size for previous button maybe 50 and 50. Okay, Ctrl-Shift-E. Oh, it's perfect, I think. Okay, let's go to the navigation, and you can exact to use or don't use these images for pref and next button of slides. About our widgets settings, it's on, but I don't tell you about this list of anchors and disable scroll on element. Disable scroll on elements, I think you understand it. You must to check. You must find your ID element with this symbol and or class name with that start at the end of your element, and by comma you must to write it here. And about list of anchors, at my widget you can see that there's navigation slide. Okay, we drag and drop for slides and full page maybe. Okay, so and we place it by rows. It will be not included in our container of state button, and in hyperlinks must be anchor for first page, and in hyperlink must be some link. Maybe for other it will be with the same symbol. Okay, so when we go to the slides, first page, it will be first page, and our characters, our letter of first page must be right here. It doesn't matter what names you write. It does matter that this letter must be the same like here, first page. Okay, so let's go on hyperlink, enter first page /1. /1 it means that we go to the first page and second slide. Yep. For the 3 it will be first page /2. It will go to the third page, the third slide. So 3, 2, 1. It works properly. So let's go about let's tell about your vertical sections. Also, it will be pinned on the corners. Hyperlinks must be also like this hyperlink anchor first page and hyperlink fifth page. Fifth page must be also be here. It's very important. Okay, Ctrl Shift E, and we switch. Click, 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 and click. It works properly. Okay, it works. So let's go to create your own anchors via maybe our shape 60. Then we go to the, maybe we can fill it, but I go to fill, add image. So we choose our image, then we scale to fill, and place it here. Okay, here in hyperlinks we must write anchor fifth page, then add this symbol, it's very important, and pin it here. Okay, then we go to our widget and write it, comma, and fifth page. Ctrl Shift E, and we don't have the sixth section, so we must create it. And here, and for our anchors, he have active state, and we can maybe switch it like that. Also, you can create some more positive design. Here, scale, and here we can, and next maybe it will be no, like that. Okay, and as you can see, it works. So Also, you can create anchors inside a state button. Maybe if you want to, also you must in scrolling effects add vertical scroll bar. Also, you can hide vertical scroll bar. After that, you must add anchor by A, and here at the top of your section, name one. Okay. Then we go to our element, and here choose our anchor one. So go to our page, and as you can see, it works. So my advice to you that all your elements must be near when you create your anchors path. I think this is all. So about something new features about state button. When you have some lower effects, you can fill it some maybe fat effects and fade effect, something like that. And when you slide it, you can switch this element. Oh, you can see these features when your mouse on it. It is very beautiful, I think. So about vertical sections, it is also work properly. We can add some fill, maybe more darker, and here fade effect. Ctrl+Shift+E. Yeah, it's very nice work when you scroll your project. So that is all about my new features of FullPageScroll 2. I think you really like it, and maybe later I will record my new video about maybe how to use widget animation for object, maybe another features and others. So about parallax scrolling. Parallax scrolling, you can use it in parallax scrolling, and in instruction you must use these effects. Perfect, simple, and you can see it's very nice parallax effect. So thanks for watching. I think this video was very useful for you. If you see this video and you have free version, you can purchase it on my own site, and then you can write some comments to my below this video, and I think you and your clients will be very proud that you create sites for him. Thank you for watching. My name is Vadim Yakupov. Goodbye and see you in YouTube. Bye.